Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time.
To replace the rear shock absorber in your LG washer, you will need channel lock pliers, 1/2-inch deep well socket, and a drill driver with a Phillips bit. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the washer and turn off the water supply. Pull the washer away from the wall. Unthread the water supply lines. Be prepared for water to spill. Unthread the 4 screws securing the rear cover. Push the cover up and pull out to remove. Use a 1/2-inch deep well socket to depress the tabs on the locking pins, then remove them with the pliers. Remove the shock from the brackets. To install the new shock absorber, place the shock into the brackets. Use a small amount of grease to lubricate each of the pins. Insert the pins until they lock into place. Slide the rear cover into position. Rethread the 4 screws. Rethread the water supply lines over the hot and cold inlets. Push the washer back into place. Turn on the water supply. Plug the power cord back in. And your washer should be ready for use.